I'm leaving.
Goodbye. I'll start guarding now.
It lets you know that it's guarding. I get the little notification on my phone in the app, and we're good to go. It's listening here. So we have the spinning light that's showing us it's now activated and listening. Let's try a glass breaking sound to see if we can trigger this.
Hello, my name is Anika and welcome to the HomeAutomationX channel. Thank you so much for watching. We watched a video from Craig's Tech Talk on a new feature from the Amazon Echo. It's called Alexa Guard. I will call it Amazon Guard so it doesn't trigger your devices. We reached out to Craig and asked if we could do a collaboration with him, and he agreed. Here is a glimpse of Craig's channel, which we also linked down below for you to check out.
This week, Amazon introduced Alexa Guard to help look after your house. Let's take a look. Hello tech friends, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Craig. If you're into smart devices, you are in the right place. This is part of my weekly Echo series.
He is also a fan of our channel and was excited to work with us in creating this video on the Amazon Guard. When you leave your home, you can enable Amazon Guard and it will add a layer of protection by listening for anyone breaking in, like the sounds of glass breaking, or in case of a fire, it listens for a smoke detector that went off. It also can turn your lights on and off to make it look like someone is home. Now, if it did hear the sound of either glass breaking or a smoke detector alarm, it will send you an alert on your phone. It will also include a 10-second audio clip of what triggered the alert. Now let's watch Craig as he sets this up and goes through testing it out.
So let's take a look at setting it up. First, open up the Alexa app. Then, select the three lines in the upper left-hand corner, select Settings, and choose Guard. You'll be greeted by the screen that explains the different layers of protection. You get smart alerts from your Echo when an alarm is triggered, security system integration with Ring and ADT, and away lighting. Next, click Setup Guard. Here you'll pick your smart alerts, smoke and carbon monoxide alarm sounds. We'll hit Add. Next in Smart Alerts is glass break sounds. When your device hears the sound of glass breaking, it'll trigger a notification to you. We'll hit Add. Away lighting will automatically turn lights on and off to make it look like somebody's home. We'll add that. The zip code allows the away lighting to be based on the time of sunset in your location. Next, we'll confirm our preferences. And Guard is set up. Here we can see the status of Guard. We're currently at home, so the smoke and CO2 alarm is off, glass break is off, and away lighting is off. The history will show us the status of things that have happened in our house. If we click the settings in the upper left-hand corner, it'll show us we have 7 smart devices. The smoke alarm is on, glass break is on. Security system, we don't have anything that's set up and integrated. Away lighting, there's 17 different devices that it can turn on or off as needed. If we click on those devices, we can pick what lights will be implemented. I can also pick the devices that I want to listen. So I will turn off everything but this office dot, and we'll demonstrate using that. For security system, if you don't have ADT or Ring, if you click Learn More, it'll explain what your options are there. With notifications, you can be notified when Guard switches to home mode or away mode. That's it for setting it up. Now let's try to use it. To turn it on, when you leave the house, you would say, Alexa, I'm leaving.
Goodbye. I'll start guarding now.
It lets you know that it's guarding. I get the little notification on my phone in the app, and we're good to go. It's listening here. So we have the spinning light that's showing us it's now activated and listening. Let's try a glass breaking sound to see if we can trigger this. So that's a series of glass breaking. And I just got the notification here that it says possible glass break sound detected on office dot.
I guess this would work if someone is breaking in through your window, but what if someone breaks in through your front door? Perhaps they should have an option to listen to all sounds in case it doesn't hear glass breaking.
When I click on the notification, it takes me to this screen right here that shows the history of what's happened. I could choose to drop in on the echo and continue to listen, or I could hit play and hear what clip set it off. So that's a clip that I played. Now if I want to drop in to see if everything's okay or if I hear anyone in the house, I can hit drop in. It's connected now. I could mute it so I can just listen and I could hear it going through the phone. If I think there's a problem, I could hang up and then call the police and say someone's broken into my house. Let's try a smoke detector sound and see if it sets it off. See, I got the alert there. I should be seeing it on my phone in a minute. Picked it up a second time, and here's my notification. Let me stop this. It says possible smoke or CO2 alarm sound detected on office.
We have the Nest smoke detector, so I'll get alerts from Nest when the alarm goes off, but the Guard is a great option if you have a basic smoke detector.
I can choose to drop in, or I could play the 10-second clip. Should be seeing it on my phone in a minute. And it recorded me, and it actually triggered it again that there was a possible smoke detector from the recording there. Let's listen to the sound of a CO2 alarm going off. It picked it up right away. And that's not a very loud alarm because it's just a recording, but it picked it up again. And again, I have another alert saying that there was a possible smoke or CO2 alarm sound, and I can listen to it to see what it captured. I think that worked out pretty well. I was just using my laptop for some recordings. It picked up the sound of glass breaking, a smoke alarm, and a CO2 alarm. Now, if I want to turn it off, I say, I'm home.
Okay, I've stopped guarding your home.
Stop guarding, and I get the alert here saying guard set to home mode.
Now let's watch Craig explain how the away lighting works.
For the away lighting, Amazon has created an algorithm to give your house that lived-in look as if somebody were in the living room watching TV or going to another room, and really kind of randomizes it and makes it feel like somebody's at home. Something to think about when you're using the Guard is this is not meant to be a monitoring system, but rather an alert system. The ultimate responsibility falls on you on how to proceed if you're notified of an alarm. Do you call the police? Do you call the fire department? You have to decide that.
Now, would I cancel my existing security setup for this one here? No, obviously not, but it's not a bad system which can complement anything I currently have. And you know, Amazon will continue to make improvements in the future releases. So I want to know what you guys think about the Amazon Guard. Is it something you would enable when you leave your home? Also, what do you think of Craig? Leave a comment down below on what you think of his presentation. This is not the end, so don't go anywhere, guys. I liked to thank Craig for helping us out with this video. Thank you, Craig. You can check out his channel below. There are these videos here on the side that you can also check out. The video on the top is our most recent one, and the one below is the one that I recommend just for you. Please click on either one and check them out. I appreciate all your support that you provide our channel, and we will speak soon. Bye, guys.